Welcome to SoulDesign Lab, where ancient wisdom meets modern self-mastery. If you've ever asked, why am I like this, or what is my real path in life, this is where the answers begin. You're hearing an AI version of my real voice, cloned with my full permission. I use this voice so I can focus on meaningful content while still speaking directly to you, in full compliance with YouTube's updated voice policy. Let's dive in. You were born with a code. A unique combination of numbers that quietly shapes how you love, learn, lead, and even how you sabotage yourself. And the best part? That code is hidden in plain sight. Your birth date and your full name. In this video, I'll show you how to decode it, clearly, simply, and in a way you'll never forget. Let's begin. In numerology, there are 5 core numbers that make up your personal blueprint. Each one tells a different part of your story. Who you are, what drives you, what you're here to do, and how others see you. Together, they give you a map of your inner wiring. And no, you don't need to be a math person, just your full name and birth date. Let's start with the most important one. Your life path number is like the GPS of your soul. It reveals the main direction of your life, the lessons you're here to learn, and the kind of growth you're meant to experience. Here's how to calculate it. Write down your full birth date, day, month, and year. Reduce each part to a single digit. Then, add them all together. If the final result is a 2-digit number, reduce it again, unless it's one of the master numbers, 11, 22, or 33. Let's try an example. July 14, 1992, 7 for July, 1 plus 4 equals 5 for the day, 1 plus 9 plus 2 equals 21, 2 plus 1, 3 for the year. Now add, 7 plus 5 plus 3 equals 15, 1 plus 5 equals 6. This person's life path number is 6, the nurturer. They're wired for responsibility, care, and creating safe, loving environments. If your life path is the destination, then your expression number is the tool set you bring with you. It shows how you express your potential, your talents, your strengths, and your natural way of getting things done. To find it, use your full birth name, exactly as it appears on your birth certificate. Assign a number to each letter using the Pythagorean chart. A equals 1, B equals 2, all the way to I equals 9, and then repeat. Add all the numbers together. Reduce the total to a single digit unless it's 11, 22, or 33. This number describes your natural abilities, the way you take action in life. Now let's go inward. Your soul urge number is the emotional fuel beneath your choices. It reveals your heart's truest desire, what you crave, even if no one else sees it. To calculate it, use only the vowels in your full name. A equals 1, E equals 5, I equals 9, O equals 6, U equals 3. Add them up and reduce the total like before. This number reflects your internal compass. It's the silent pull behind many of your most meaningful decisions. Your personality number shows how others see you, before they know the real you. It's the mask you wear, the social version of you. To find it, use only the consonants in your full name. Convert them to numbers, add them up, and reduce. This number doesn't always reflect your true self, but it explains the energy you project and why others might misunderstand you at first glance. And finally, we have your birthday number, the simplest to calculate. Just take the day you were born. If it's a 2-digit number, reduce it. For example, born on the 14th, 1 plus 4 equals 5. This number is like a bonus gift. It might not define your whole journey, but it reveals a natural talent you carry from the start. These 5 numbers form the foundation of your numerology chart. Each one offers insight, but together, they tell a full story. Let's recap. Life path equals the journey, expressions, the tools, soul urge equals the fuel, personality, the mask, birthday, the gift. Now that you've calculated your core numbers, you've taken the first step toward understanding your unique design. In the next video, we'll dive into how to interpret these numbers so you can align your life, your relationships, and your decisions with who you truly are. Until then, write down your 5 numbers. Look at them, feel them, and ask yourself, what if this has been your blueprint all along? Subscribe to keep decoding your life, and comment your life path number below. I'd love to explore it with you.